Hey guys, how's it going? Just bending the strings out of tune for fun today. Playing through a little Roland micro cube here. Really cool little thing. The speaker's about the size of like a medium soda from McDonald's or something. You know, the top pass, something like that. I don't have my tape on me, so it's really small, and it's got batteries. You can run it on batteries, or you can plug it into the wall. It's got a little strap that you can carry it with, you know, kind of nice. Be good for, you know, camping, busking, you know, where there's no power. It's got some amp simulators in it, and some effects, too. It's really cool. Let me get out of this dirty stuff here, and we'll try to find something clean. Okay, that says clean. Now you can get rid of the delay, no reverb, or you can add reverb, you know. It's kind of weird, it's on one knob. Once you go past noontime, it's reverb. Once you go this way, it's delay. I don't know if you can do them both together, maybe. Nope. Anyhow, I was just running delay, basically. And you also have a phaser and a flanger and chorus. Again, all on one knob. And a tone knob. You have a tone knob too as well. And a gain and a volume. And you have these different amp simulations like a JC Clean. This is black panel. Then you have like classic. Some are louder than others. There's a something, I can't really read it. The writing's really small. I don't know what this says. Anyway, and there's a mic setting too. If you want to hook a microphone up to it. Just see what I can get for clean stuff with it here for a second. You basically got to crank it, you know. Okay, so this is chorus. Not super loud, but you know, it's something. Let's go to the black panel and turn the chorus off. Maybe try the reverb. That's a phaser, I would say. It's really easy to dial effects up on it. There's 3 knobs and you just twist them until you hear what you like, you know. You know, like I said, it's not terribly loud, but you could almost hook that onto your belt and walk around with it. It doesn't weigh nothing. I mean, a couple pounds. It would be cool if you could get delay and reverb together, you know. It kind of vibrates the box. I might have to tighten some of the bolts up. I bought this used and off a kid, you know. He probably cranked it. You have to anyway, it's just what it is. Speaker could be blown, I don't know. But, you know, just sitting in the bedroom or something, it's pretty cool, you know, sitting in the... You could have it sitting in your car if you wanted to. I mean, it's battery operated too, so... I've heard worse, I really have. Pretty well built, you know, it's got the grill in the front. Let's see what it's got for outputs here. It's got an auxiliary in, and it's got a record out and a headphone jack too. I bet that's pretty cool. That'd be, you know, obviously not going to gig with this thing, but, you know, to plug a set of headphones in and just play, that'd be pretty cool too. It's portable, and they're not super cheap either, but it's what it is. I'd say, I haven't tried any of these other smaller versions of these, you know, mini amps, but for what this is, it's quite a lot of bang for your buck, I guess. And like I said, it's portable. If you're traveling, this would be just nice in a motel room, on a bus. I kind of like it. It's kind of cool. It's cute looking. Just a little guy. It's got the regular. No, that's a little smaller badge than the Jazz Chorus one I got here, but the badge almost takes up the whole front of it, really. All right, guys. Well, thanks for checking it out. It's a lot of fun, really. I really enjoy this thing. Kind of cool. All right, take care. Be good. We'll see you soon.